Hello, fellow listeners. Today we're going to read My Mum is the Best by Bluey and Bingo. Hi, I'm Bluey. And I'm Bingo. We would like to tell you why our mum is the best. She works very hard at her job. You're right, Bingo. She's always driving you to gymnastics and making us yummy dinners. She's good at doing lots of things at the same time, like getting us ready to leave the house. My mum is the best because she looks after us. She makes sure we can clean our teeth and brush our hair. She tucks us in at night and gives us a goodnight kiss. And she's always reads a bedtime story. Our mum is lots of fun. She takes us to the park and on scooter rides. Mum loves it when we dance together. She even loves riding the bus with us. But sometimes Mum is not all fun and makes us eat our vegetables. Yuck! Yeah, but we get her back because we turn her into a chicken with our magic asparagus. We're smart, but Mum is super smart. She can fix the toilet when it leaks. She can even fix a bad mood. She taught me how to crawl. You mean bum shuffle? We learn so much from our mum. She knows what to do whenever I've got a problem. And she taught us that the world is a magical place. Whoa. The best thing about my mum is that she's always there when I'm feeling sad. She gives me her checklist. Have a cry? Check. Pick myself up? Check. Dust myself off? Check. And keep going. Mum says you can't give scores for being a mum, but if I could, I'd give her a million hundred. And two. We love our mum and she loves us. Our mum is the best. Thank you for listening. I hope you liked the book. Subscribe to our channel to listen to more bedtime stories. Bye.